Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your Earbuds Creative Outlier Air from your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on the keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, click Enter or press on it. Then you need to locate audio line and find your earbuds. I have it here, both of them. I don't know why do not connect it. And it's the same with the right one. Click on it and remove. After that, you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!